Hello everyone, Andy is here. Welcome to my channel, Mandarin Studios. Today I'm going to show you a regularly used Chinese character, 热, which means hot or high temperature in English. Now let's get started. The character 热 is composed of 10 writing strokes as shown here in the animated image on the left. This character is an upper and lower structure, and it is mostly used as an adjective, which means hot or high temperature. It could also be used as a verb, which means to heat up or to warm up. So grammatically, it can be used as an object or a predicate in a sentence. This character is listed as one of the most frequently used beginner level 2 characters in the Chinese proficiency test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of 热 is indicated as follows. This character first appeared in small seal script in Qing Dynasty in Chinese history, which is more than 2200 years ago. This picture shows how it looks in small seal script. Now, let's take a close look to this character and try to understand how it was created. As mentioned earlier, this character is an upper and lower structure. The upper part is composed of 2 units, which is the left and the right structure. It illustrates a person who is inserting a plant into ground, so you can comprehend it as a farmer growing crops in a farm field. Obviously, the lower part of this character is fire, which means high temperature. This is the typical ideographic character, which means crops in a farm field need a high temperature so that they can grow faster and better. With time going on, this character only remains the meaning of hot or high temperature. When used as a verb, this character means to heat up or to warm up. Since the small seal script in Qing Dynasty, the writing forms of this character 热 experienced 2 major changes: clerical script and regular script in traditional form, which is widely used today in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau. The regular script in simplified form of this character is widely used in mainland China, Singapore, and Malaysia. Vocabulary words related with the character 热 include 热爱 ardently love, 热天 hot weather, 热能 popular, 热量 quantity of heat, 热带 the tropics, 热情 enthusiastic, 热浪 heat wave, 热狗 hot dog,